Today we are looking at a Clipper number 57D seed cleaner. This unit has a top and bottom air. It will do an excellent job getting every impurity out of any grain that you're cleaning. The top and bottom air gives you a lot of versatility and adjustment when it comes to vacuuming or sucking away light chaff. This unit has been completely rebuilt and is in excellent condition. It is ready to go out and perform for a long time. This unit will do as good of a job as any new seed cleaner and not cost near as much. You also have the added beauty of the oak. I love how these wooden cleaners look. These units last and hold up a long time because they're well built. We can see the bottom fan here. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt. This unit was dismantled, gone through, anything that needed repaired was repaired. It has new bearings. It's ready to go out and clean seed for a long time. It has the roll feed hopper. That gives you good versatility. It allows you to meter the seed onto the screen evenly. This unit will do approximately 100 to 150 bushels per hour. That of course depends on how dirty your crop is, what seed size it is. Corn and soybeans, you can push through this unit a lot quicker than you can something like wheat or rye. Because wheat and rye are smaller, you have to run it a little slower. We're just doing a walk around to this unit, and then we're going to fire it up so you can see it run. Here you can see the unit running. Fires right up, starts strong, runs strong. I love these old cleaners. They're still very practical and they work just as good as a new one. They're also a lot prettier than a new one. I love that wood grain. This unit is powered by a 5 horsepower single phase electric motor. You can see the fans going around on the top air. We also line the insides of these fans with sheet metal. That gives them a lot more life. Over time, they can wear out. The sheet metal armor plating gives it a lot longer lifespan. Take a very long time to wear that out. You can see our bottom fan turning here. You can see our shoe shaking. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt. It's ready to go out and perform as good as a new one. You can see our roll feed hopper working. That's where your unclean grain is introduced. The top air vacuums away a lot of the chaff and impurities. Then it hits the screens. The screens sift it. They take out any fine dust or any large scalpings. And then once it's screened, it goes into the bottom air, and that takes out any other light chaff or any other thing that can be blown away. And then it discharges out the bottom. Again, this unit will do 100 to 150 bushels per hour, depending on your commodity and how much trash is in it. Corn and soybeans, you can really crank this unit up and send them through it. On something like wheat or rye, you would be around 120 to 130 bushels per hour at the top end. This seed cleaner and other seed cleaners, all makes, all models, various conditions, can be bought from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed feed and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.